Fluffy lemon mousse with just 3 ingredients. So delicious. You love lemon mousse, and you know it. And you love enjoying life without making things complicated. You also like no-bake desserts with just 3 ingredients. I must be reading your mind. The first thing is to extract the juice from 2 lemons. So here I am, getting it ready. But I don't throw away the peels. Why? Because I'm going to use them to get the zest, that is, the yellow part of the peel. So I grate it and set it aside on this little plate. Now, 2 cups of heavy cream in a large bowl, and make sure it's very cold because we're gonna whip it. So use beaters, electric ones are even better, and whip it until it becomes firm. Don't keep beating or it'll separate. Stop when it's firm. Here, I have a cup of condensed milk that I put in another bowl, and to it, I add the juice from earlier. And we're gonna mix this a little until it's combined. And then we'll whip it with the same whisk we used for the cream. You don't even need to clean it, for about half a minute. And now it's time to combine the 2 mixtures. Look how easy it is. I'll even show you up close. We add this mixture of condensed milk and lemon directly to the whipped cream, just like that. No fuss. And now, gentle folding motions so it mixes well. But we keep those little air bubbles that make everything so fluffy. So, just a bit of work for about half a minute or so. And it will have the perfect texture to fill any molds you want. I'm gonna use these transparent serving cups, which I think are a great size. We're gonna keep filling and filling, distributing it, so that we use up all the cream at once. Once you have them, decorate with that lemon zest we set aside at the beginning. But make sure your hands are freshly washed, and then keep them in the fridge until it's time to serve. I always recommend letting them chill for at least an hour, because that way the texture becomes even fluffier. So I already have it ready, and I want to start enjoying it. The excitement begins in the kitchen. With simple steps, look at how amazing it looks. 5 cups filled to the top that we prepared in no time, with just 3 ingredients and no difficulty at all. And look how fluffy it is and how fresh. These chilled desserts just make you want to grab a spoon and start enjoying. 1 big spoonful, another small one, another one, and another, and another. Come and cook! I know it's a favorite dessert for many people. Is that the case for you? If not, let me know in the comments. What's your favorite dessert? That way we can get some ideas. Thanks.